Today, I'll show you how to enter coordinates on Google Maps. Coordinates are useful when you want to find an exact location, especially if the place does not have a clear address. You can use coordinates for hiking spots, land locations, delivery points, construction sites, travel planning, or saved places. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Now enter the coordinates you want to search for. Google Maps supports different coordinate formats. For example, you can enter decimal degrees like 14.5995, 120.9842. You can also enter degrees, minutes, and seconds like 14 degrees, 35 minutes, 58.2 seconds north, 120 degrees 59 minutes, 3.1 seconds east. Make sure the latitude comes first, followed by the longitude. Latitude shows the north or south position. Longitude shows the east or west position. After entering the coordinates, press Search or tap the search icon. Google Maps will move to that exact location and drop a pin on the map. Tap or click the pin to see more details. From there, you can save the location, share it, or get directions. If you want to copy coordinates from Google Maps, tap and hold any spot on the map to drop a pin. On a computer, right-click the location and Google Maps will show the coordinates. Click the coordinates to copy them. On a phone, after dropping a pin, swipe up on the location details and you should see the coordinates listed. You can copy them and send them to someone else. If Google Maps does not find the location, check the coordinate format. Also make sure there is a comma between latitude and longitude and that the negative symbol is included if needed. And that's it. You now know how to enter coordinates on Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.